This is the first question. Try to write down only the answers, nothing more than that. Just quickly write down your answers and all. At 5:35, it will be over. $40 for one question. It's more
सर
than
एक्चुअली
enough.
मेरा नेट चल गया था सर। तो सर मैं कह रहा हूँ कि सर वो कहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा आंसर?
वर्ड फाइल या पीडीएफ किसी में भी, एक अपने नोटबुक में भी, पेज में भी लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा। सिर्फ आंसर्स लिख देना बस, और सबमिट करना 6 बजे के पहले।
सर
6 बजे तो बहुत मैक्स दे दिया, 5:40 तक ही हो जाना चाहिए वैसे तो। हाँ
सर
बोलिए।
एक्चुअली सर एक्चुअली मेरा ब्रॉडबैंड का कनेक्शन का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर, तो मैं पीसी पे नहीं काम कर पाऊंगा एक्चुअली।
तो कोई बात नहीं, तो अपने मोबाइल्स में तो नोटपैड होता है ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वही अगर लिख दूंगा वो तो चलेगा सर?
हाँ, सिर्फ आंसर्स ही मुझे चाहिए, सिर्फ आंसर्स चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए मुझे।
ओके सर, प्लीज शो मी द क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली।
हाँ हाँ, मैं बता रहा
मतलब
हूँ,
मेरे
1 मिनट
कंप्यूटर
के
पे
लिए
नोट
फोर्टी
नहीं है।
सेकेंड्स होंगे।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
नोट नहीं है?
मतलब कि मेरे कंप्यूटर पे नेट नहीं है एक्चुअली तो सर।
हाँ 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 हाँ, कोई कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, उसमें कुछ
सर
ऐसा है नहीं।
सर
हाँ हाँ बोलिए।
नोटबुक पे आंसर लिख के मैंने अपलोड कर दिया तो चलेगा क्या?
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा चलेगा, कोई इश्यू नहीं, कुछ भी चलेगा, कैसे भी
ओके।
करो, किस में भी करो। 5:40 के पहले बस आपको डाल देना है, ठीक। ईच क्वेश्चन विल गेट 40 सेकेंड।
सर
ये भी करने वाला। रेडी स्टेडी गो, चलो स्टार्ट। किसी में भी आप अपलोड कर सकते हो, पेज किसी में भी। आप में लिख के भेज दोगे, वो भी फोटो निकाल के दे दोगे तो भी चला लूंगा, बस कुछ ना, सिर्फ आंसर चाहिए मुझे। हाँ, स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना?
हाँ सर, विजिबल है सर, विजिबल।
हाँ हाँ, बस बस।
सर बस आंसर लिखना है सर?
सिर्फ आंसर फॉर, किसका आंसर, क्वेश्चन 1 और इसका आंसर बस।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
का आंसर जो भी लगता हो, क्वेश्चन 1 आंसर रेग्रेशन लगता है, क्वेश्चन 1 रेग्रेशन, बस इतना ही। डन। डन।
So do we need to mention the
Sir, one minute.
number also?
Yeah, just write question 1 answer this, question 2 answer this, question 3 answer this, just like that.
I mean, it's like, okay, fine.
सर क्वेश्चन 2 एक बार दिखाइए ना।
जल्दी। 40 सेकेंड्स में इतना एकदम बहुत इजी इजी क्वेश्चंस दे रहा
ओके ओके सर।
हूँ। लास्ट 30 seconds for both, 1 minute for these both questions. Quickly. 2 minute 27 seconds हुए है, 3 minute 27 seconds में मैं बंद कर दूंगा।
Okay, so do we need to mention the option number also, or is
No,
it
no, 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 nothing like that. Only question and answer. That's it.
a question number and the answer option?
Yes, that's it. That's it. If you think like question 4 has answer D, sorry, super intelligence, just question 4 super intelligence. That's it.
Okay, fine.
Nothing else than that. Done. This supervised is
Sir, your voice is
this
cutted,
means
sir. Your
supervised
voice
machine.
is cutting too much, actually. We can't hear you, actually.
अभी अभी भी कट रही है आवाज
Yes,
अभी
sir.
कट रही है आवाज एसएल का सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग का है सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग आर का है लर्निंग उसके साथ देख लेना
Done, sir.
నాకు వేరే వాళ్ళని నడుస్తుంది ఎప్పుడు మొదలైంది నడుస్తుంది 6 నిమిషాలు అయింది ఇప్పుడు వేరే వాళ్ళు నడుస్తుంది ఏం చేస్తున్నావా లైట్ వచ్చిందా మరి నేను ఇక్కడ అన్ని మూసుకొని అన్ని ఆపేసుకొని కూర్చొని లైట్ పోయింది కదా ఇందాక పోయింది ఆపేసుకుంటే నీకు ఎక్కడ స్పేస్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అంత ఆపేయాల్సి వచ్చింది You have to simply write one line answers only. పది నిమిషాలు అప్పుడం తినేవే 2 రకాలు
Hello, sir. How many functions do we need to mention here?
just 4 3 4 5 at least enough.
सर एक बार 15 का क्वेश्चन दिखाए ना सर.
Functions regarding
हाँ हाँ
pandas.
सर, ठीक है सर, करेक्ट.
Still 7 seconds left.
सर एक बार 17 क्वेश्चन देखना था, 17 18.
Done.
यस सर.
Last 1 minute.
सर टोटल कितना क्वेश्चन है सर?
21 बस हो गया.
ठीक है सर.
हेलो सर,
Yes.
थर्ड और फोर्थ दिखा दीजिए.
क्या कौन सा?
फोर्थ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन आंसर.
ओके, 1 मिनट ये खत्म कर दीजिए आप पहले, फिर 4th 5th देख
ठीक
लेना.
है ठीक है.
Independent and dependent, do we need to mention the difference or?
Just an explanation, it's fine. What you actually know about dependent and independent, that's it. You don't have to any explanations. I don't want any explanation. Just what you know about those things, just you have to keep mention those things, that's it. Last 40 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Just quickly take a look. This is the first question. I'll just keep for 5 seconds every day. 1,
Sir,
yes.
please, question number 1.
1. Done.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 और 15 पे कितने मतलब कि वो फंक्शंस लिखना पड़ेगा सर?
3, 4, 5 जितने आपको आते उतने भी लिख चले। मुझे सिर्फ आइडिया चाहिए कि आपको कितना पता है। 3, 4, 5 भी लिख दोगे तो भी बहुत है। ठीक, अब हो गया है, सेशनिंग हो चुकी है। नाउ इट्स 5:38। ट्राई टू सबमिट ईच एंड एवरीवन बिफोर 5:45। आपका सब मिलकर एक ही पेज 21 आंसर्स थे, 1 या 1.5 ही पेज हुआ होगा। ट्राई टू जस्ट अपलोड दोस थिंग्स क्विकली। 5:45, 7 minutes are there now. Try to submit within 7 minutes. Fast, quickly, everyone. देखते सबसे पहले कौन सबमिट करता है।
सर सबमिट क्या गूगल क्लासरूम पे करना पड़ेगा?
हाँ हाँ, मैंने डाला है, देखियो पीडीएफ अपलोड करने के लिए बोला है एक।
ओके 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 ओके।
अपलोड क्विज पीडीएफ करके मैंने एक असाइनमेंट डाला है, उसमें देख लीजिएगा। Questions were easy or they were tough?
No sir, it was easy sir.
Remaining टफ लगा क्या? बहुत ही बेसिक्स थे। ठीक है, वो तो भी आंसर्स देखते हैं।
सर मेरे एक्चुअली पीडीएफ में ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रहा है सर, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ये
अरे
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा
पीडीएफ
है।
नहीं करना है, आप कुछ भी चलेगा, फोटो भी अपलोड कर सकते हो आप, फोटो कर
ओके
दो,
ओके
नोट
ओके
कर दो, कुछ भी।
ओके ओके सर ओके सर।
कोई भी चीज चलेगा। कोई, मैं ये कहा बोल रहा हूँ पीडीएफ ही करना है करके, कुछ भी आप कर सकते हो, एनीथिंग। वाह, क्षितिज सर वाज फर्स्ट। सबसे पहले उन्होंने सबमिट किया है। तुइन सर डन, क्षितिज सर डन, हेमंत सर डन।
सर आज की क्लास में कोई और सिखा रहा है सर?
नहीं, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा। अभी खाली तुम लोग का एक छोटा सा मीट होगा, श्रद्धा मैम एंड सताक्षी मैम आने वाले हैं, तो आपको भी स्टे करना है अभी, ठीक? समथिंग इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलने वाली है, तो प्लीज स्टे इन द मीटिंग। 6 o'clock के बाद आपकी मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी, बट स्टे टिल 6 o'clock, बी हियर
Okay,
ओनली। या
okay. सर आंसर्स मिलेगा?
हाँ
आंसर्स?
हाँ हाँ, मिल जाएंगे मिल जाएंगे, क्यों नहीं मिलेंगे। विल डिस्कस, हम कल या परसों जब भी सेशन होगा ना, विल डिस्कस, ठीक है ना, किसने क्या आंसर्स किए हम देख लेंगे।
ओके।
हम्म। लास्ट 3 मिनट गाइस, अब तक सिर्फ 3 ही लोगों ने टर्न इन किया है, बाकी सब
हेलो सर।
यस सर।
क्या व्हाट्सएप कर सकता हूँ क्या फोटो?
जो अपलोड कीजिए ना उसमें।
गूगल क्लासरूम में?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, सभी को गूगल क्लासरूम में ही करना है।
ओके।
सब गूगल क्लासरूम में मैंने एक डाला हुआ है, अपलोड क्विज पीडीएफ करके एक असाइनमेंट, बस उसमें सबको अपलोड कर देना है। क्विज पीडीएफ तो नाम दे दिया था, आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हो, फोटो 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 कुछ भी डाल दो चलेगा। मुझे सिर्फ आंसर ही चेक करना है और कुछ नहीं। ओके, हस्मिता मैम हैज डन। ओके।
Hello, sir. There are some spelling mistakes. Is it fine with?
अरे fine 5 minutes, they are not just I want to know that whether you are clear with your concepts and all. I'm not an English teacher and all. No, it's fine. It's totally fine.
Okay.
You have uploaded?
Yes, sir. I had uploaded.
It's not showing me actually. I don't know why. You have to turn into, huh?
Yeah, I had
Yeah.
turned it.
So
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have
okay.
Satakshi ma'am with us now. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Satakshi ma'am, just 2-3 minutes more. Actually, I have submitted us. I've given a small task to them. Just in next 2 to 3 minutes, they will upload these things, and then you can start with the proceedings, ma'am. Sorry for this late delay. Just 2 to 3 minutes more, ma'am. That's it. So, okay, sir. Thank you, ma'am. आई डोंट वॉट नेट आंसर्स। हाँ, मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ, मुझे कोई नेट के आंसर्स नहीं चाहिए। आपको जितना आता है उतना ही लिखना है, खाली नेट से मत टाप के मत लिख देना इसमें। नको Okay, thank you, ma'am. Satakshi ma'am and Shraddha ma'am, you can continue now, please. Thank you so much.
Okay, so in this group, we understand Hindi or English or what?
English only, ma'am.
English only. Okay. So guys, hi. I hope you all are well and safe at home. So basically, we have conducted this meeting. Let me introduce you who we are and why are we here. So me and my co-partner Shraddha ma'am, we both are human resource and marketing heads in CDE. We are not from Technophilia team. We are from human resource and marketing team, but we are from same family, but different branch. Right. So basically, guys, we are here to tell you something about virtual Mela. This Mela is conducting by CDE Career Teams Educations, and this is a 5 days event for CD interns and outsiders also. This event is all about dancing, singing. We have poetry, shairi. We have reels making competition. We have also games for boys like online games, Ludo King, Call of Duty, and many more. And also we have poetry and shairi also. So please, everyone, mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself. Kshitij sir. Thank you so much, Kshitij sir, and thank you so much, Tejas sir. Thank you. So, Shraddha ma'am, please explain them date-wise the program. I'll share the screen, ma'am. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, you also mute yourself. Okay. So, hello, good evening, everyone. So, this is the whole layout of the virtual Mela that we at Career Educations are organizing. We are having 5 days event. Okay. So, this is the whole layout. Starting from 21, we are having on 21 we are having the step up, that is dance competition. Registration charges for it will be 50 rupees. For and second event for the first day will be timeless token, that is photography. Registration charges 30 rupees. Third event is games, that will include Ludo, Among Us, Call of Duty, and Valorant, all those charging at 30 rupees. And second day will be 22nd June. Internship Masters, the registration charges for it will be 200 rupees. Poster making charges are 30 rupees. This will be digital poster making, okay, using any online platform for it. Reels making will be 30 rupees also. And our third day will be 23rd June. So on 23rd June, we are having singing. Registration charges including 50 rupees. Poetry Shairi, registration charges 50 rupees. Ad made show, registration charges 50 rupees. On the fourth day, we are having digital showstopper, that is fashion show. The charges for it is 50 rupees, and certificate in logo designing registration charges is 30, and for sketching charges is 30 also. Okay, so now this is the whole layout of 4 days. Now what will be the fifth day? Fifth day will be the special day, that is Tare Zameen Par, that we are having for special children. Special children, you all can very clearly understand what we mean by special children. So if you're having anyone near about you who is a special child, you can enroll that person, you can enroll that child and ask the child to perform anything like singing, dancing, poetry, acting, in any field he is good at. You can allow him, and that will be free of cost for all the special children. Okay, so you all, like, we are having 23 people with us over here. So if you will be saying that you all are not having any talent, I definitely not agree to this, because everyone in this world has some or the other hidden talent. Some are smart enough and confident enough to showcase their talent, but some are a bit shy to showcase that. So yes, we are giving you a platform. We are giving platform to each and every interns of the CDE Career Dreams Educations to show their interest, to show their talent. Yes, you all are having it, so we are giving it a platform. If you are good at dancing, singing, poetry, shairi, quiz, or sketching, art, photography, anything you have, we have covered it all for you. So it will be like, you all can understand the charges are not very high. We are having just the minimum amount that we can have, that is the 30 rupees and 50 rupees only. For the quiz, that is 100 rupees only. Otherwise all the events are 30 and 50 only. So you all can think like what a great opportunity we are providing. If you are having if you are winning the competition, you will be getting cash reward as well as the ISO certificate. But if you don't win, like if you lose, then also we won't let you go like this only. We'll be providing you with the participation certificate. So overall, this is the whole layout of our event. Now over to you, Satakshi ma'am.
See guys, as we have already discussed with you all the events, about the events and how we are conducting, it's conducting on Google Meet. So you don't have to come outside your houses to, attend the program. You can attend this program online on Google Meet. I know there are 22 people on in the list, and all are boys. So boys, I know very well that you're all interested in games, right? Online gaming. All are fans of Karim Minati right now, including me. So Karim Minati always do live streaming of games, right? He's do live streamings on YouTube. So people, they used to watch him. So now we are giving you a platform where you can play live games with your challengers. Okay? Call of Duty, Ludo King. I don't know more games because I'm not that much games fetish person. But yes, I just used to play before this. As a student, as soon as I started this company, I used to play Call of Duty and PUBG. But now it's banned. So people are now using fake, IDs, and they are playing. But still, I'm not into it because it's just an addiction games, which I just get back to it. So I know you all are very fond of Call of Duty, right? So we have added Call of Duty, we have added Ludo King. So all will be your online challengers there. If you win by gaming, then definitely you'll get cashbacks, very good cashbacks. So it is a good chance for you. Just 30 rupees you have to give, boys. Only 30 rupees only you have to give. And you will get many, many good cash prizes. And for girls like Ishwarya ma'am, I cannot forget you. Girls, for you, we have only one girl is there? Wow.
No, ma'am, lot are there.
There are others also.
Nageshwari ma'am. Okay, Nageshwari ma'am, another. Okay, so for you,
Nandini
beautiful,
ma'am and Anita ma'am is also there.
I cannot see them, ma'am. Actually, that's why I just told. Na? Okay, so guys, for you, beautiful ladies, we have dance, singing, poster. We have games for you also. I'm not saying that girls are less than boys. No, you all are equal to me. But for you, dance, singing, poster making, logo, certificate making, and many more for you guys. Cashbacks for the chair or ISO certificate मिलेगा जीतने के बाद. So just pull up your socks, get ready for this event, our largest platform on CD.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Tell me, Nandini ma'am.
Yeah, in Reels, we have to record it and keep it with us, or we have to perform live.
You have to make two videos, beta. One that is recorded, and other that you will live. That it depends on the judge what they ask. Like if they ask you live, then perform live, and if they, like Reels cannot perform live, right? That will be recorded. So it depends upon the judge. So be ready for that, both, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Good question. Okay, so now I'm putting my mic off and let you people write in the chat box who all are interested. Say yes. If you'll say yes, it will motivate us a lot. Me and Shraddha will feel very motivated. And if you say no, then also it's very okay. We are not forcing you, but to guide you right way, it's a decision to write you in a right way. So who all are interested, do write in the chat box yes or no. And please guys, please coordinate with us. It is for you only, guys. Don't let this chance. Boys, come on. I want everybody to participate in this gaming.
See, it's a simple thing कि आपको 30, 40, 100 जितनी भी आपको अमाउंट है उसमें इतना ज्यादा भी अमाउंट नहीं है कि आप नहीं पे कर सकते. ठीक, डेफिनेटली ये आपके इंटरेस्ट पर ही होता है. इसको फोर्सफुल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट इट्स समथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम ट्रेनिंग. ठीक, ये ट्रेनिंग के अलावा भी अगर किसी को कुछ इंटरेस्ट हो, जैसे बहुत सारे लोग ने कहा भी था कि डांसिंग हो गया, तुहीन सर का हो गया, गिटार का हो गया, स्केचिंग का हो गया, तो आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो. 30 रुपीज इज समथिंग नॉट दैट मच. फाइन, यू कैन हैव दोस थिंग्स. ठीक, एंड यस क्षितिज सर, आपने भी हैंड रेस किया था. सो डू यू हैव एनी डाउट और एनी क्वेरी?
नो सर.
ओके, तो सिंपली जितने लोग भी इंटरेस्टेड है सिर्फ यस या नो कर दीजिए बस. Ma'am, I have already registered for Intense Masters. Okay, I have registered ma'am in Ludo and Quiz. Okay, remaining all, very good ma'am. Remaining all, at least if you are interested or not, just write in the chat box yes or no. हाँ ना, कुछ तो रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए ना. आप ना भी लिखोगे तो भी कोई कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है, बट एटलीस्ट लिख तो दो नो यस. अच्छा, फिर मुझे भी लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर यस. Interested madam, looking for registration. Registration links will be declared. Exam hai sir. Okay, remaining just write down yes or no quickly.
Guys, see, it should be little thing that your team leader is asking you something, so respect those words, and the way he communicates is just a very good way he is communicating with you all. So take this as an ethic, as a manner, and just write whatever problem you are facing and whatever you are interested in.
No sir, I have exam. Okay. Tuhin sir, Prince sir, Amit sir, you were something like you told me that you are interested in that masters and all. Okay, a lot of guys having exams, I guess. Okay, fine. So not an issue. We'll draw. Yes, sir. Interested. Okay, fine. So what it's mean like Shraddha ma'am, just again keep your numbers here so that they will contact with you if any issues and all. They will directly contact with you, ma'am. And please, yeah, that's the only thing. And yeah, one more thing I want to add is that Satakshi ma'am, पबजी जो इंडिया में बैन हो गया था ना, वो आज रिलीज हो गया, इंडिया में बीटा वर्जन आ चुका है आज।
अच्छा, आ गया, बढ़िया सर, चलिए आज डाउनलोड करती हूँ फिर मैं।
हाँ, तो हमने तो सुबह डाउनलोड कर
नहीं नहीं, जब तक यहाँ पर है तब तक ये पबजी कुछ नहीं खेल पाएंगे सर, पूरी जिंदगी हमारी पबजी हो जाएगी। अभी यही काम करना है।
हाँ, नहीं तो बता दिया आपको, आपको लग रहा था कि नहीं था ना, जिसको बता दिया। आ गया
सर, संडे को कर लेंगे सर, एक घंटा क्या जा रहा है।
हाँ, yes, okay, thank you. So if you have any queries, you can stay here, you can ask, otherwise you can start leaving the meeting. Thank you so much. Thank you Satakshi ma'am, thank you Shraddha.
Thank you Tejas sir, thank you everyone, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
And thank you so much, and yeah, everyone, thank you, tata, bye bye, see you, keep smiling all.
हेलो
Yes, Prince sir.
सर वो मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ तो पूरी स्क्रीन ब्लैक हो जा रही है।
ठीक है, आप मुझे व्हाट्सअप कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके सर।
Tuhin sir and Tuhin sir, you don't want to take in any participation and all? टेक्निकल फील्ड सर सही में बहुत अच्छे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस होने वाले रिगार्डिंग मशीन लर्निंग टेक्निकल के रिलेटेड।
ठीक नहीं है ना एक्चुअली सर, उसके लिए
अभी थोड़ी है, 20 to 23 को है ना।
ओके सर, एक्चुअली मेरा बुखार है एक्चुअली, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ।
ठीक ठीक, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
सर वैक्सीन लिया था ना, इसके लिए सर तबीयत कुछ ठीक नहीं है।
हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ठीक है, तो या you can start leaving the meeting if you have any queries. And yeah, one more thing, like how is the preparation going on for yes tomorrow's that group discussion and all? Going well, और आपने अभी तक किसी से बात की?
हाँ सर, बात किया था सर।
किससे बात की सर आपने?
सर हमारा जो टीम है सर, उससे मैंने थोड़ा बात किया था एक्चुअली कल।
ठीक, ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आप कल तक प्रिपेयर होके रहिएगा, एंड कल होगा तो मे बी शायद रिया मैम वो सब भी आएंगे, तो उस हिसाब से अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होके बैठिएगा। प्रिपेयर मतलब ऐसा कि तैयार वैयार होके बैठने का, ठीक है। अगर वीडियो ऑन हो गया ना, तो फिर ऐसा ना हो कि आप ऐसे ही बैठ जाओ फिर, ठीक।
ओके सर, श्योर।
हाँ, ओके, फाइन। Thank you so much. Amit sir, I really just forget to write down the names list of your team. I'll just put those names in this in within a half an hour. Fine. Thank you so much. You can leave now. Any queries, or should we left the meet? Okay, fine. Then I'll.
Hello? Hello?